I got this for about $32 or 1,599 here in the Philippines. But even for a low price tag, it looks premium and feels premium for me personally. I think I'll be switching now from a Mi Band 5 to Haylou Solar LS05. Haylou Solar LS05 has a metal body. It has 12 sports modes, sleeping management, whole day heart rate monitoring, and 30 days standby. Inside the box, it has a manual, magnetic charging cable, and Haylou smartwatch itself. Pairing to smartphone is seamless. The first thing you have to do is to scan the QR code that is being displayed in the watch, or go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Haylou Fit and download the app. Once downloaded, open the app. For terms and conditions, just tap agree and sign in if you have an existing account. Since I don't have one, I'll be using Facebook to sign up. Once the Facebook screen is open, just tap continue and you'll be signed up. You can complete the initial setup or you can skip it as well like I did. Now the app will ask you to use Bluetooth to connect to the device. Just tap OK. On the Home tab, tap the Please Connect device to search. Once your device is found, just tap the appropriate device and the confirmation will be displayed on your watch. Just tap the red check mark and you're good to go. For the complete specs of this smartwatch, the body size is 45.3mm by 11.4mm and the strap is 22mm. The total weight is approximately 54 grams. And the Bluetooth version is 5.0. The battery capacity is 340 mAh, water and dust proof, IP68 rating. And for the OS compatibility, for Android, the minimum Android version is 4.4 or above. And for iOS, you must have at least iOS 8.0 or above. The display is 1.28-inch TFT screen with a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. It has 4 modes of brightness which can be configured on the settings. The display is surrounded with metal body that makes this watch look and feel premium for me personally. And for the battery life, Haylou Solar LS05 is advertised to last up to 30 days on standby and 15 days when 24-hour heart rate monitoring is turned on. Overall, the Haylou Solar LS05 is best bang for the buck in my opinion. Because of its low price tag, you'll be able to get a decent smartwatch. It looks good actually. It looks good and it feels premium on my opinion. Aside from that, I really love its design. It looks like a traditional rounded watch, which you can wear this on any occasion. It's really hard to say bad things about this device given the low price tag, but here you go. These are the things that I don't like. Well, number one, while using for a few minutes, I already noticed that this one is a fingerprint magnet. Though it didn't bother me, but others might. And the second, when my finger was a bit wet, there were times that swiping the screen were not recognized. And so far, other than that, I don't see any major flaws. But stay tuned guys to our channel because I'll be uploading my full review on this Haylou smartwatch LS05 soon. Okay, there you have it guys. For me, this device is highly recommended because of its low price tag and it doesn't look cheap at all. It looks really premium and it feels premium because they also added weight to it and because of its metal body. So thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.